In this video, I'll show you how to use Omegle on your phone. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and also go down below and consider leaving a like as well, and let's get right into this. Here we are on my phone, and just a quick note, this guide is going to work regardless of what type of phone you're using, it's all the same. So when you go and search for Omegle in the App Store or the Google Play Store, you're not actually going to get any results, and if you do, they're likely to be fake. So what you need to do is go and open up your phone's browser. So if you're using an iPhone, that's going to be Safari, and if you're using an Android device, it's likely to be Google Chrome. Then all you need to do is go and search for Omegle, just like so. So go and type it in, and you're going to get this list of results. And all you want to do is make sure you go to omegle.com. That's the official website, and that's literally all you need to do. And you can actually go and use the Omegle website on your phone. So then all you need to do is either start a chat or click on video and go and agree to the terms of service. It's important to note that you do need to be 18 to go and use Omegle, so make sure you read through the terms of service and the community guidelines and understand them all. I've personally already read them. And click confirm and continue, and you need to go and allow access to the microphone and camera, and then you can go and start chatting to people. If you found this video useful, please go down below and leave a like. Peace.